I was an aviation electrician in the Navy. Working on aircraft, I was dealing with wires, harnesses, troubleshooting electronics and components in the aircraft, and I love that aspect of it. My name is Noah McCrill, and I'm from Oceanside, California. I heard about the NRVTA from my parents when they bought a Class A motorhome. When things needed to be fixed, there was a warranty, there was a whole process that needed to be followed. Guess what? It took forever. They told me about somebody who fixed their RV and they had a mobile RV repair business. They were happy with the service and they said it would be a good career for me after I left the military. The experience was a lot more hands-on than I thought. We were in labs, I would say about half the time. When we went to the classes and I got to see actual refrigerators, actual air conditioning units, and I had that moment of, wow, I have no idea how this works. Towards day 2, day 3, when we actually start touching the tools, start pulling things apart, I understood how the flow worked. And going back to week 1, where I talk about the flow of all the components, about electricity. So if you'd like more adventure in your life and you want to go be on the road, do whatever you want to do, but still have a way to provide some income for yourself, your family, I would highly recommend checking out NRVTA. I'm excited about all the opportunity that there is to be an RV technician, directly helping families, people on the road, people who want to be off-grid or nomads. If I can be there in a time of need when they need me most, I get a lot of fulfillment from that.